Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trim videos in Kapwing on PC. Trimming videos is one of the most common editing tasks when you want to remove unwanted parts, shorten a clip or focus on the most important moments. Then Kapwing is a browser-based video editing platform that makes this process simple and intuitive on a PC. Open any of the browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down kapwing.com and enter it here. And over here once you get into this interface you can simply go to one of the tabs here, or you can simply create a new as well, as I'm going to select one of the tabs. Over here under the tab, we can also access through this trimming control here. Once a video loads under your editing platform, at the bottom of the screen handle on either end of the timeline allows you to trim the video start and the end points. Simply click and drag the handles inward to describe the point here. Over here on the edge of it, simply double click on it and you can put it where you want to. Just like this, you have just trimmed the video. You can also move to the end of the section and click the split again over here on this handle and click onto the split, and you can simply trim like that. And once satisfied, you can click onto this export in the top right. And after processing, your video will be downloaded on your library as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.